The BoSS Camlock Advanced Guardrail System comprises purpose-built guardrail frames that can be used when erecting any BoSS tower system. The AGR system ensures that guardrails are already in place before the operator mounts the working platform and therefore is never exposed to the risk of falling from an unguarded platform. Safety and ease of build start at the base. Using horizontal braces for ease of levelling combined with diagonal braces to provide rigidity, one man can build up to the first level without assistance and without leaving the ground. Lightweight and easy to handle, the Camlock Advanced Guardrail locks positively into place and tensions the tower structure by pulling down on the top horizontal. This lock mechanism is easily visible from a distance and makes visual inspection from ground level simple and certain. Double decking at every level ensures maximum safety and ease of build as well as dismantling, with no overreaching. The 2.2 metre double width tower can be built from the ground by one person and can be used without stabilisers, with the large double deck making it ideal for low-level jobs including fit-out work. The structurally rigid BoSS Camlock system provides the user with a large unrestricted double deck at every level and provides collective fall protection for all users with no need for any overreaching during build, dismantling or when working at any height level. The base of the BoSS Camlock AGR tower is designed so that you can reposition two of the base braces in a matter of seconds, giving unrestricted access to the internal frame, which leads to the double-deck platform above. Dismantling is also simple, fast and safe with the easy-to-release Camlock system. Youngman believes the BoSS Camlock Advanced Guardrail System provides the safest, simplest and fastest method for erecting and dismantling your access tower. For more information, call us on 01621 745 900.